Uh, Good evening and good morning. So, in the lockdown, the new technology and the new tool which I learned is nothing but the Locust. So, I will explain one by one each and everything, why, what is the Locust, and why we have to use this. So you can say that this is the Locust documentation page, and Locust is a very easy to use and distributed load testing tool basically. So same like you can say that JMeter and Gatlin. So Locust is also used to then swarm of Locust will attack your websites, as well as it can also give the all the performance matrices. It is basically written in the Python, and for to connect with this tool, so this is there is no UI for that. You have to return each and everything in the code with the help of some basic scripting which is in the Python. The main thing you have to install first of all this Locust module in your any editor like PyCharm or Eclipse, whichever you are preferring. Then these are the basic. I can show one thing. So I'm written one of the framework in this uh, performance. Some of the API. This API is nothing but get and post API. So these are the basic thing. If you see here, so these are the basic Python file which I have written, and so to write this Locust uh, performance script, or you can say that load script. So there is the basic two thing which is you required. First is there is two class. One is the indicator, and this needs to be init by the HTTP Locust. So you say that I already import the Locust dependency, or you can say that Locust libraries or models. So it is basically on HTTP Locust, task set, task, and between. So this indicator is inherited by the HTTP Locust, and it is calling for the indicator behavior class. So this indicator behavior also used for the task set. So if you hear, there is the some of the task annotation which I am using to verify my APIs. So you can say that this API is nothing but I can show you. So the API is nothing but these are the all the APIs endpoints which I want to, which I written in one of the configuration file, so that as a runtime if you want to change anything you can change these things. So so these are all are the endpoints. This is get API, and the second one is the post API. So now coming back to this script, so you can say that we are using some of the wait time in between, and these are the host which I already written in the config intel API. Due to some security I am unable to see. I don't want to show this URI and all the things now. So the second thing which I want to show how you can write your small test case, or you can say that the load testing. So these are some of the tasks which I mentioned: task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, and task 5. So these are the basic thing, the client get API which I am using. These are the some of the endpoints which I want to prefer. There is some auth, and there is some headers which I want to test, as well as if you see here I already shown some assertion. I already add some of the assertion, so that if something is functionally break, it can also catch via this performance. So now coming back to the point how I can test this. So you can say that there are the two way to test this. First is the web UI, and second is the CLI. So if you want to if you I already run this thing on the Docker, so via the CLI mode I will show you one thing. I will show you one example on that. So to understand initially I can show you how we can test this via the UI. So you can say that I already like a locust-f locust indicator.py. When I click it, there is some of the locust internal server is coming up, and if you see the server, so I already wrote so I can so this localhost is basically on the port 8089. So it can ask number of the total simulate, what is the hash rate. Hash rate is nothing but the number of user per second which we can increase, and these are the host. When I start swarming. So these are the web UI. So if you can think about how we can run this via the Jenkins, so there is CLI mode. You can provide all the things via the some of the commands, and you can run on it. So if you see here, these are the showing the statics of the graphs and all the things. What are the all the endpoints and the request fields, median, 90 percentile, which are basically each and every performance tool, they are giving some of the charts, basically what is the request per second, what is the response time millisecond, number of the users, so what is the failure, if any exception caught then it can be tracked back here, and we can also download that data. So these are the basic UI things. And if you can here, so these are the host, what is the how many users it is running, what is the request per second, what is the failure rate. Now you can stop this. And so these are the UI thing. Now coming back to the how we can run into the CLI mode. So if you see here, there I can show there is one command, no web. So in this locus -f indicator, no web -c is showing the number of the concurrent user, number of the user per second which we want to increase. I want to the CSV, the statistics which I shown in the UI, it is also converting into the CSV format. Number of the time, how much time we want to run this, what is the step load, means what is the client per second, it means here 10 user per 60 second we want to increase it. So these are the things which we can capture easily, and we can also integrate these things via the Jenkins. So there is no need to provide each and everything via the command prompt. You can make a Jenkins job build with parameter as well, and you can run that things there. So there is no headache. Yeah, there is one drawback for this as of now. If you want to run on the CLI, so there is no graph, so only the CSV report and historical CSV report is present. So if you want to make a graph, then you can use we can use that CSV, and you can make a graph by own. Otherwise you can use the Grafana, so that you can integrate the things and you can run on it. I also run this thing on the AWS EC2 instance successfully. So I hope you like this basic introduction. If you have any query, then contact me, I can show you, and whichever I know I can explain.